Hello students. Till today we have completed explanation of science lesson number 1, 2 and 3. Till today we have read science lesson number 1 and 2. Today we are going to read science lesson number 3. Okay? So let us read the lesson. See children, this is your Science Ahead book. It is page number 12. While reading, how do we read? Page number 12, lesson number 3, fruits and vegetables. Now first we will read yellow box. Mind opener means whatever I tell you at the beginning of the lesson. Do you like eating mangoes? Why? The mango is a fruit. Which other fruits do you like to eat? Now in pink box, learning objectives are given. Let us read those. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to identify different fruits and vegetables. Explain that fruits and vegetables come from different parts of plants. We have learned all these things. Okay. Now let us go for next reading. Most fruits are sweet, juicy and good to eat. Yes, this is true. Most of the fruits are sweet and they are very good to taste. They are very good for our health also. So we should eat fruits. Correct? Now which names are given over here? Mango, watermelon, strawberry, apple, cherry and banana. Now see children, some fruits are juicy. We can take out juice. Some are pulpy, or you can say we can make the fruit pulp out of it. Okay, or we can use that pulp in milkshake also. Okay, so fruits are very good to eat and we can make so many dishes with the fruits like ice creams, jam, fruit salad, fruit chaat, fruit cake. Okay, so many things we can eat with fruits. Okay, made up of fruits. Okay, now what is written below that box? Let us see that. Since children will already be familiar with fruits, let them name as many as they can. Let them bring seasonal fruits and pictures of other fruits to class. Note that scientifically speaking, tomato, then lady's finger, gourd and so on are fruits as they come from flowers. However, they are eaten as vegetables. This should not be brought up at this stage. Okay, now children see what it is mean. What does it mean? That first thing is I should ask you to bring actual fruits or pictures in the class. But today, as we are at home, it is not possible for all of us. Even we cannot go out to get fruits. Okay, so we are not going to do that. But instead of that, I will ask you to do activity in your book. That I will tell you afterwards. Okay, I will let you know afterwards. And second thing, what they have told, that some fruits are used as vegetables. Now this part also we have studied, but we will discuss it while reading that part afterwards. Now let us go to the next page. Next page is page number 13. Okay, what is written in this page? See, fruits come from flowers. After the petals fall off, the flower changes into a fruit. Now children, I have already shared a YouTube video on WhatsApp. Correct? I hope you all have seen that video. And now you have understood how does a flower grow into a fruit. If you have not understood, you can see that video again. Correct? Now let us go for next. Below that it is written, we eat vegetables too. They come from different parts of plants. Now children, we have studied all these things. There are 5 parts: stem, root, stem, then leaves, fruits, flowers. And all these parts we use as vegetables. So let us study or let us read about it one by one. We have studied already. We are going to read again. We eat the roots of some plants such as carrot, radish and beetroot. See these pictures. Carrot, radish and beetroot. Then we eat stems of plants such as potato, ginger. Yes, and even I told you about the lotus stem. It is also a vegetable. It is also used as a vegetable. Okay. So this was our page number 13. Correct. Now children, keep it in mind, though potato and ginger are stems, they grow under the ground. Okay. But they are not roots. Okay. They are tubers, or you can say those are stem vegetables. Carrot, radish and beetroot are root vegetables. Now let us see next page, page number 14. Here what is written? Some vegetables such as carrot, radish, beetroot and potato grow under the ground. Just now I told you, all the roots are growing under the ground. But potato is the vegetable which is a stem vegetable, but it grows under the ground. We eat spinach, cabbage and mint leaves. These are leafy vegetables. If you remember, I also told you about fenugreek, methi, correct? Fenugreek is also a leafy vegetable. Cabbage looks like a flower, but it is not a flower, it is a vegetable. We have already studied this. Now, next. We eat the flowers of cauliflower and broccoli plants. Now I have explained this in detail while teaching the lesson, that these are flowers and these are the flower vegetables. Okay. Now most plants grow from seeds. You will learn more about this in the next lesson. We eat the seeds of some plants. Now we have seen that green peas we eat, rajma seeds. Yes, we eat rajma seeds, correct? Even we eat the seeds of plants like wheat, rice, maize. Okay? हे सगळं आपण आपल्या लेसनच्या एक्सप्लेनेशनच्या वेळी झालेलं आहे बोलून. ओके. नाव नेक्स्ट पेज. We also get useful things like tea, coffee and oil from plants. Now while teaching, I have shown you everything. How do we get coffee? Then how do we get those berries, and then those are dried, and then we get coffee beans, and then we get coffee powder, correct? Likewise, I have also explained you about other oil seeds also. These are sunflower seeds. Okay, sunflower seeds and sunflower oil. But I have told you about sesame seeds or sesame oil, coconut oil, then soybean oil. Okay, other oils also I explained it to you. So this is our lesson. Now below this there are 2 boxes. First box, what is written? Choose the correct option and fill in the blanks. Fruits come from dash, flowers or leaves. Now you know fruits come from flowers. Flowers grow into a fruit, correct? So write here flower. The cauliflower is a dash vegetable. Fruit or vegetable. The cauliflower is a dash. It is a vegetable. It is not a fruit, correct? Then third, Rajma is a dash, leaf or seed. We know that Rajma are seeds. So Rajma is a seed. Now this you have to write at home as homework. Okay. And what is the last part? What you have learned. Most fruits are sweet and juicy. Fruits come from flowers. Vegetables come from different parts of plants. And we get tea, coffee and oil from plants. So children, this was all about the reading part of science lesson number 3. Today you are going to read the lesson at home. Okay, till that time we will meet to next session. Till that time, stay home, stay healthy.